Guam Waterworks Authority presents How to Detect Water Leaks in Your Home and Property. Laundry Room Edition. Look for leaks on the pipeline coming from the wall. Look for leaks on the faucet where the shutoff valve is located. If there is a leak here, tighten the nut on the valve to stop the leak. If that doesn't help, seek out a licensed plumber to replace the valve. Let's recap. Look for the leaks on the spout. Look for the leaks or corrosion on the connections. Repair or replace your hose, connections, or valves. Seek a licensed plumber should you require additional assistance. We hope these tips will help you avoid costly water leaks and help all of us conserve our most precious natural resource. Thank you for your time. For more information, call, click, or visit Guam Waterworks Authority. We're here to help you.